So first up we have the chin-ups. So be sure to get a full stretch down the bottom and control the movement down for 2 to 3 seconds. And explode back up, squeeze for 1 second up the top. Next, inclined dumbbell curls. Basically the same thing, but here's a little trick. When we get to the bottom of the movement, I want you to slightly flex your tricep so you get full extension of the bicep, and when you come up, flex the bicep up the top and slightly raise your elbow to get a better peak contraction. And obviously, because we use triceps to balance the bicep, because it controls the movement, we're chucking the triceps in next, which is a compounding movement, dips, and we're using weight to do that. Same principle here, control the negative for 2 to 3 seconds and explode up. Don't lock the elbows, okay? We want to keep the tension on the tricep. Followed by cable overhead extension. With this one here, we're going to add an eccentric part to it. So slowing down the negative or eccentric part for 5 seconds. Getting a full stretch at the end. Remembering, the more we can stretch the muscle out, the more blood we can pump into it when we contract it. Alright, so that's 2 bicep exercises, 2 tricep exercises, because the push and pull movement, they work in unison together. And then we're going to move to another bicep exercise, which is the... So this is cable curl 21s. So what happens is, so you full extension down the bottom, curl it 7 reps to halfway, then from halfway all the way to the top another 7, and then finishing that off with a full 7 complete curls. Again, controlling the negative, exploding up, 1 second squeeze, controlling it back down. And then we're going to finish off the bicep exercises with the cable rope hammer curl. Now we're going to add an eccentric here. So you're going to notice that when I get down to the bottom, I'm going to flex the tricep, and then I'm going to explode up, hold it for 2 seconds up the top, and then control that down for 5 seconds. And then we're going to have the last exercise for this arm workout will be the rope tricep extensions. Now I like to face the machine and pull the rope away from my body. This just gives me a better angle to get a stretch for the tricep, as well as a better angle to get a better squeeze. So again, full stretch, and then explode, contract at the end, and control the movement back down again. So the key point to this is time under tension. There is time for speeding things up, but mostly you grow when you have more time under tension. More fiber gets used to control the weight. So if any of you want any help with your training plans, nutrition plans, or just want to get beefed up, shredded, here's my details. Give me a holler.